In this section, what I'll do is I'll cover PowerPoint integration with the Smart Interactive Display. What we'll do is we'll talk about how you can navigate through your slide presentation, how you can digitally ink into the slides, and then how you can save your digital ink into the slides itself. And again, some of the things that we talked about before, Smart Ink, the ability to ink into slides, and also your gestures are fully supported in PowerPoint. So let's get started. What I'll do is I'll bring up a PowerPoint presentation, and then what I'll do is I'll actually go into the slideshow mode. And so now here we're in the slideshow mode, and what's going to pop up is this slide tool. And this slide tool is part of Smart Ink, and what it's going to do is it's going to give you the ability to navigate through your slides. And you can navigate through your slides three different ways. So the first way is using your gestures, so you can actually move to your left to move forward, slide your finger to the right to move backwards. So again, forwards and then backwards. Another way that you can navigate through slides is to use this tool here, and you can click on the right arrow to move forward, click on the left arrow to move backwards. Now another way is actually to pick up a stylus. And from here what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to do a number of different things. One is to navigate through the slides by using the slide navigation tool. Touch to the right arrow to move forwards, touch on the left arrow to move backwards. But now what you'll also be able to do is you'll be able to add comments. So these comments are actually going to be associated automatically to the slide that you wrote them on. So when you move forward, you'll see that the annotation disappears. But when we move back to the slide what we wrote on, you'll see that the annotation is there. Now what you can also do is you have the ability from here to use your gestures to erase some of these comments, again by using your fist or your palm of your hand. Or you can do the back of the pen, and then you'll be able to erase there as well. So again, what we could do is we can write directly into the PowerPoint slide. Now you have some additional attributes built into the slide navigation toolbar. So where the three buttons are, you'll click there, and now you have the ability to actually open up the ink toolbar and then change the attributes of the pen. So on the fly we can change pen colors, we can change thickness of ink, or what we can do is we can actually change our stylus into a highlighter. So now what we have the ability to do is highlight information directly into these slides. Now also in the slide navigation toolbar, to the left of the three buttons, it's going to be a navigation button that allows you to see where you are in your presentation. So here we're on slide 1 of slide 22, and as you navigate to different slides you'll see that those numbers change. And the button on the left is going to give you the ability to actually end your presentation. Now, what becomes of the annotations that you created in PowerPoint? They're actually objects, and these objects are now editable. So you can actually move them around, or if you wanted to, you can go to your home button and you have the ability to cut those annotations off. Now what you also have the ability to do is right from PowerPoint is you can go to File, and you have a couple different options. You can do a Save, and you're going to save your annotations as objects embedded in your PowerPoint presentation. Or you can do a Save As, and what you'll be able to do is still have your original presentation and your annotated presentation. And again, remember that those annotations are always editable later on.